Top 3. Simple drinks to take before your next meal to naturally lower your blood sugar. High blood sugar, or hyperglycemia, can pose several serious health risks like type 2 diabetes and kidney failure. In this video we will discuss 3 natural drinks to help lower your blood sugar naturally at home. 1. Green tea. Research has shown that green tea might be a secret weapon against high blood sugar levels. The magic ingredient? Epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. EGCG is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals and is particularly abundant in green tea. Free radicals can contribute to oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases, including diabetes. Additionally, research suggests that EGCG can reduce weight loss, inflammation, heart disease, and even some cancers. Drinking green tea 10 minutes before meals can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. Although you can steep a tea bag, loose leaves are better. If you want to enjoy a fresher green flavor, you can buy traditional matcha green tea in specialty shops or online. Green tea is incredibly low in carbohydrates with just about 0 grams per 8-ounce cup. So not only is it a delightful beverage, but it could also be a great addition to your blood sugar management plan. 2. Cinnamon tea. Research has shown that cinnamon may also play a role in improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels, and slowing down the absorption of glucose after a meal. Cinnamon is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants. These compounds may have anti-inflammatory effects, and chronic inflammation is linked to insulin resistance and impaired glucose metabolism. Cinnamon may slow down the rate at which the stomach empties, leading to a slower and more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream after a meal. This can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea has a natural sweetness to it due to the presence of its essential oil called cinnamaldehyde, a potential anti-cancer agent. Consuming cinnamon water before or with meals may be beneficial for blood sugar control. The easiest way to make this beverage is to simply add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to 1 cup of boiled water and stir. You can also make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. Although it tastes sweet, cinnamon tea is very low in carbohydrates. The ground cinnamon itself contains around 3 grams of carbs per teaspoon, making it a tasty and potentially beneficial addition to your daily routine. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar or ACV. Consuming ACV before meals has been studied for its potential to lower post-meal blood sugar levels. The acetic acid in ACV can help improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. In a study titled, "Vinegar Improves Insulin Sensitivity in Subjects with Insulin Resistance," researchers found that ACV might be a valuable ally in the battle against blood sugar spikes. Spikes in blood sugar are especially dangerous as they contribute to insulin resistance, cause organ damage, heart disease or a stroke, and diabetic ketoacidosis. ACV should be diluted before consumption to avoid potential side effects like irritation of the throat or teeth. Excessive intake may also have adverse effects. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. When it comes to carbs, apple cider vinegar is virtually carb-free, containing negligible amounts per tablespoon. Although these beverages are not a substitute for professional medical advice, they do complement a balanced lifestyle. Remember, individual responses can vary, so it's advisable to monitor your blood sugar levels and consult with a healthcare professional. If you want more natural remedies, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.